Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by making the form and immediately linking responses to a sheet. Open Google Forms, create a new form, and add the questions you need. Once done, switch to the Responses tab and click the green Sheets icon. Choose Create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. This step ensures every submitted response is captured in real time into columns. Make sure question titles are concise because each becomes a column header in the linked spreadsheet. Once the sheet is linked, tidy the columns and prepare for processing. You should verify each header matches the form question. Edit them in the spreadsheet when necessary so scripts and formulas work reliably. Next, add helper columns, an ID, validation flags, or formulas that clean responses automatically. Also, set data validation rules and conditional formatting to catch duplicates or missing values. These precautions reduce manual cleanup and make downstream analysis or automation much simpler and more consistent. Finish by automating and securing your workflow. You can add app script or an add-on to send notifications, export CSVs, or create summaries automatically so you don't repeat manual tasks. Share the form and spreadsheet with collaborators, setting edit or view permissions carefully to avoid accidental changes. If responses stop appearing, first check sharing and ownership. Relink the sheet from the Responses tab or recreate the link. Also verify you haven't hit sheets limits or trigger errors in any scripts you added.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.